You want friends with money? Just because they got money, man? Man, get that out of here, bro. All the main characters got boys who was there with them from the start, bro. In the movies and the shows, TV, nigga, anime, bro. There's always that one friend with the main character who was with them from the jump. Or that one group of people, man. That group of people who was with you in the tutorial is very important, G. The rich guys, man, they can't replicate that. Or the people who you want to be around, they can't replicate that. They're going to help you a lot. But you're going to build bonds with them. You're going to build bonds with the people at the top. Sure, man. But nothing's going to replicate what you and your boys went through at the beginning, bro. At the dirt. The mud, man. You want to switch up on them just because some guy can do a money spread? Man, you're gay.